How to get same-day delivery on Amazon Full Guide 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you how to get same-day delivery on Amazon step by step. If same-day delivery is available in your area, I'll show you exactly how to find eligible products and select the fastest delivery option. To get started, open the Amazon website or the Amazon shopping app and sign in to your Amazon account. Next, make sure your delivery address is correct. Same-day delivery is only available in eligible zip codes and cities, so Amazon uses your delivery address to determine whether the service is available. Now, search for the product you want to buy. As you browse, look for products labeled Free Delivery Today or Same-Day Delivery. These labels indicate that the item qualifies for same-day delivery in your area. You can also visit Amazon's same-day store, where eligible products are grouped together, making it easier to shop for items that can arrive the same day. Once you've selected a product, open the product page and check the delivery information. If the item qualifies, Amazon will display a countdown timer showing how long you have to place your order to receive it today. Make sure you complete your purchase before the timer expires. Amazon News 1, click Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. During checkout, confirm your delivery address and choose the same-day delivery option if more than one shipping method is available. Review your order and click Place Your Order if you're an Amazon Prime member. Same-day delivery is generally free on eligible orders over *25** in most supported locations. If your order doesn't meet the minimum amount, a small delivery fee may apply. Customers without Prime can also use same-day delivery, but the shipping fee is typically higher. Amazon News in some supported U.S. locations, Amazon now also offers 1-hour and 3-hour delivery options on eligible products for an additional fee. If these faster options are available, you'll see them during shopping or at checkout. TechCrunch 2, here's a pro tip. Filter your search results by today's delivery or same-day delivery whenever the option appears. This saves time by showing only products that can arrive the same day in your location. That's how you get same-day delivery on Amazon. If your address is eligible and the product supports same-day shipping, you can receive your order within hours by selecting the appropriate delivery option at checkout. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.